Now, often we want to say which of two signed numbers is greater. And we're going to continue to use the same definition of greater that we've been using all along. We say one signed number is greater than another if it's further to the right on the number line. We say it's less if it's further to the left. So for example, on this number line, we can see that -4 is less than -1 1/3. Well, we can also see that 1 1/3 is less than 4 over on the positive side. We can see that -1 1/3 is less than +1/2. Well, 1/2 is less than +1 1/3. We can also see things like -4 is less than +1/2. A lot of these statements would be false if you ignored the negative signs. So negative signs are very important in determining order. Now there's another related idea that we will also sometimes be concerned with. Instead of asking which of two numbers is greater, we may ask which is further from 0. And to answer this question, we will ignore the sign. So we see, for example, on this number line, here's 0, here's 1/2, and here's -4. So we saw that -4 is less than 1/2, but -4 is further from 0 than 1/2 is. So I'm going to give you a problem to try here. Draw a number line showing -2/3, -3, and 1 1/2. Then order the three numbers from least to greatest, and order them again from closest to 0 to farthest from 0. Pause the video and try this now. All right, so here we have our number line. -2/3. Well, I'll start at 0 and I want to go 2/3 away. So I'll take this unit and divide it into 3 equal parts. And I'll take 2 of them, 1, 2 away from 0. -3, that's easy, that's already marked. And then 1 1/2, that's +1 1/2. From 0 I'll go 1. And then I'll split this unit into 2 equal parts and take 1 of them. So how do I order these then? From least to greatest, I just go from left to right along the number line. -3, -2/3, +1 1/2. Closest to farthest, well, here's the distance from 0 to 2/3. Here's the distance from 0 to 1 1/2. And here's the distance from 0 to -3. Clearly this one is smallest. This one's next. And this one is the largest. So from closest to furthest, we have -2/3, 1 1/2, -3.